Good morning, good morning, good morning. I was playing around with my hair last night and I tied it into a certain way. I don't remember now, but I'm going to show you that I took this hair, this section, flipped it over. But the first section that I flipped over was, I think, this section. We'll see. It was, I don't know. Okay, I don't remember, but I'm going to do it again. It was probably this section. Okay, so notice that this part is over. And my throat is scratchy. I need to take my sinus medication, and I will. So I'm going to take this section and flip it over. This, I'm going to take it back. At least that's what I think. Bear with me. There we go. Yeah, that's it. And no, I am not finished. It gives a little bit of lift in the top of my head. And if I wanted to, I could take this section and flip that over. But that's not what I'm going for today, so I'm just going to leave that there. And I just wanted you to see what I'm doing to my hair this morning. I am going into the salon. It's after the holidays, and I'm working. I have a few videos that I need to upload. I did a little bit of shopping on Temu. And if you haven't heard of it, I tell you what, you must be under a rock, because all over social media is Temu. There's even a group on Facebook for Black girls who love Temu. And I have another video where I had my hair braided and banded. So I've had my hair retightened, and I need to upload that video as well. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God because he's been so good to me. Now I'm going to head out. I'm going to get me some breakfast. I'll be eating breakfast alone. My husband is fishing, and he goes fishing early in the morning. And then I don't know what else I'm going to do today, but if I do anything interesting, I'll come back and share it with you. Have a great day.